Hi everybody, and you're very welcome to our Los Angeles English School YouTube channel. My name is Helen. I'm head teacher here at Los Angeles English School. Today in this video we're going to learn just a few phrases that you can use when you are going to be talking about cooking in English, and I hope that you will like it. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Of course, if you'd like to get notified of all our upcoming lessons. And also we have live streams. Alright, so the first word that I have for you guys is this one. Also, if these words are new for you, make sure that you actually say them out loud. It's important not just to watch the video, but also to speak with me, okay? So imagine that you are talking to me, say these words out loud after me, and also answer some of my questions, okay? So if you do this, you fry it. So you have little letter V there, and it's called verb. Verb, it's an action, so you can fry something. And ADJ, it means adjective, fried. For example, he's frying some meat, and when he's done, it is fried. Fried meat or fried eggs. Fry, fried. This one here is stew. Stew, stewed. You can notice here that we have V and then slash and N. N means that it's also a noun. You can say to stew vegetables with meat, or stew, it's the dish already that is cooked in this way. Stew, stewed. The next one, I'm sure that you know it. So what is she doing? She's baking. She's baking some cookies. So a verb, bake, an adjective, baked. Bake, baked. You also can boil something, which is very healthy. So boil, boiled. Boil, boiled. Also, which is healthy, is steam. So we have verb steam and adjective steamed. Steamed. For this, you would need some special machine. It's called steamer that steams vegetables and anything actually. So, and it's very healthy. Oh, this one is very tasty usually. And when you put everything in the oven, you roast it. Roast, roasted, roast, roasted. You can roast potatoes or chicken or meat and many other different things. Roast, roasted. Of course, before you make something, you need to cut it. Cut. And adjective also is cut. So for example, you can cut a lemon into two halves, or you can see the lemon which is cut, cut, cut. There are also different ways how you can cut something. For example, you can slice something. As you can see here, we have some sliced bread. It also can function as a noun. You can say slice some bread, or slice the bread, not slice, cut the bread into slices. Slice. You can also cut like this. So here we have a watermelon, which is diced. So you can dice something. So verb dice, noun dice. Cut a watermelon into dices. Oh, I think it's very comfortable when it's like this. When we have, for example, greens or vegetables, you also can cut them into very small pieces, and it's called chop. Chop. And here you can see chopped spring onions. Chopped, chop, chopped. So, for example, if you want to make a meatloaf, you would need to do this. And it's called mince or grind. Mince, minced, grind, ground. By the way, mince also means chop. You can say mince some onions or chop some onions, also it's okay. Grind, you can also grind some spices, or you can grind coffee, for example. All right, so mince, minced, grind, ground. With cheese, we normally do this, and it's called grate, grate, grated. So the pronunciation is the same as great, like super, but spelling is different. So this cheese is grated. So apples, they are peeled, and you would need to peel some vegetables just to take out the skin from them. But for some things, you would use the verb shell. So you would shell nuts or seeds or peas, for example. It's when the covering of these is very hard, like you kind of shell it. Shell. All right, guys, now we're going to practice a little bit, and I will be asking you some questions, and in these questions you will see the words that we are practicing right now, and what I want you to do is to give me the complete answer and just try to say it, okay? So, do you prefer fried, boiled, roasted, stewed, or steamed meat? Of course, if you aren't a vegetarian. So think about the answer to this question. Okay, I personally like fried meat, but I usually eat roasted one because it's healthier. Okay, the next question. What vegetables do you steam? Okay, seems tasty. Know my answer. I steam cauliflower, eggplants, carrots, and potatoes. So these are the most often steamed vegetables in my kitchen. So you can see their pictures. Again, you can say these words one more time. Cauliflower, eggplants, carrots, potatoes. My next question for you is, how often do you bake cakes or cookies? Good of you. Unfortunately, I'm not really good at baking, so I never do it. Yeah, I tried many times, but I failed. Sorry guys. So normally I buy cakes and cookies. I don't make them myself. But it's great if you can, of course. All right, so let's move on to some more questions. What do you normally cut into slices? My answer: bread, a cake, tomatoes, and apples. What's something you grate for some dishes? So what is something that you grate? And my answer: I grate cheese for spaghetti, for example, and carrots for soup. Right, some more questions. What is something you chop? My answer: onions, garlic, and greens. So greens, these are green vegetables, and also herbs like parsley or dill, for example. Do you normally need to cut into very small pieces. Name something that we shall. Okay, so I think that you were able to come up with some words. My answer: nuts, peas, and seeds. So these are the most common things that I normally shall. Maybe you shall something else. Okay, so I have some more words for you. When you make salads, for example, you need something that you would pour into your salad, and maybe then you would mix it together, and it's called dressing. A verb for this would be dress. So you dress your salad with olive oil, for example. So dress with, dress with. You also would need probably to use something for this. And I have here some words. It's sunflower oil. So you can dress your salad with sunflower oil. Or olive oil. Dress your salad with olive oil. Or probably you use mayonnaise. You also can call it mayo. Mayo. And it is more common. Mayo. Or sour cream. So you can dress your salad with sour cream. So probably you would also want to add some spices. You also can use this verb spice. Spice with. You can spice your salad with some pepper, for example. Spice with. Spice with. And a little bit of practice. So answer my questions. What do you dress your vegetable salad with? Sounds nice. I dress it with olive oil normally. I like it and I know that it's healthy. Okay, so the next question. Where do you add sour cream? Okay, my answer: to soup and some salads. Alright, so guys, I hope that these questions were helpful for you, and now you know a few new words on topic cooking. And I have a little challenge for you. Think about your favorite recipe, or maybe it's not your favorite recipe, but this is something that you often make, and write this recipe in the comments below the video. It will be super interesting to read your recipes. Really, guys, it's no joke. Okay, so we're going to stop our lesson for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Of course, if you'd like to get notified of all our upcoming videos. Also, if you want to study with us, you can visit our website, which is called losangeles.englishschool.com, and you can check it out and you can study with us from any point of the world. We normally have lessons on Skype. It's very convenient and I really like it. Alright, so I wish you have a great day. Don't forget about the recipe that you need to leave in the comments below the video, and I hope to see you in my next lesson. Bye, guys!